Hey everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So I'm sorry if the lighting's off. I can't really tell right now in the viewfinder. I'm filming a lot later than usual. I realize that tomorrow's the last day of July and I still have several July boxes to open. I feel like I've been posting multiple videos a day. I can't keep up, so hopefully you guys don't mind me continuing to do multiple videos a day. But tonight I am opening up a brand new subscription. This is the Bohemia box, and this is a jewelry subscription. And I'm excited to open this one because it is different than the other jewelry subscriptions I've received. So I feel like most of the jewelry subscriptions I've gotten, which has been a lot, are more like classic style or like feminine or like dressy. I don't know, I might not be using the right term, but this subscription, from what I could tell and what the name implies, is more like bohemian. So it's definitely different than the others from what I could see online. So this is a subscription that's available on Cratejoy. So like I said, this is a new subscription to our channel, so I'm going to pull up some information so we can learn a little bit more about it because it is new to me and maybe new to you as well. So we already know it is a jewelry subscription. What else should we know? I'm sorry, there's a cat laying on a box over there, so cute. Okay, Bohemia is a monthly subscription box from Rayo Supply Co. featuring a new pair of funky handmade earrings, bracelet, or necklace each month. We are inspired by the materials, colors, and sounds of the tropics, the unconventional lifestyle of the Bohemian culture, and textures of nature. All of the items in this box are made in New Hampshire, USA, and support the creation of healthy living wage jobs in our community. We pay all of our employees at least $15 an hour, which is about 3 to 4 above the standard pay for this kind of work in New Hampshire. We believe in supporting the planet and are committed to increasing our sustainability with every box we send. We also do our best to use ethically and sustainable sourced materials. We provide you with information on the source of the materials with each box. So on the Cratejoy site, it says plans start at $20 a month. They gave me a code, it's Holly20 off. I'll leave that down below, and this gives you 20% off your subscription, not just one time, but the entire duration of your subscription. So like if you keep it for a year, then it'll be 20% off the entire year. So I think that's super awesome. I've only seen that like with one other box before, so that is great. So if you're interested in the subscription, definitely take advantage of that code. It says this does ship worldwide from the US, so that is great. And let's see if there's any other information. It's a woman-owned business. We already know it's a shop with a purpose, boho style, natural materials, and handmade jewelry. It says love boho and festival styles. We got you. So this is perfect. I guess it is still festival season. It's the summer, but yeah. So it comes in this mailer bag. I can feel there's a box inside, but so it's like tie-dye print, super cute. So let's get this open and see what's inside. All right. So here is the actual box inside the mailer. Says Rayo Supply Co. Bohemia box, handmade in the USA, and looks there's like palm trees on the stickers. I like that. And then when I open up the box, this is what I see. There's a little note on the top. It says Bohemia box, box number 2, Festival Flow, featuring jobs, tear seed, coconut shell, bamboo, sustainable harvested jewel beetle elytra wings on leather remnants from the Garment District NYC. Move with the music and hear your spirit's voice. So I'm just reading that card up there. So let's see what else in here. There's another information card right here. So it looks like the jewelry is like wrapped up in this box. So let's see what this stuff says first. So this one's material story. Jewel beetle elytra wings, if I'm saying that right. This is made from bugs? In Thailand, jewel beetles are farmed for food. They are grown inside of tree trunks and stumps when they are ready to lay eggs. They leave their wooden homes. Very quickly after doing so, they die and are harvested for food, and their beautiful elytra wings are harvested for jewelry and craft makers. We love this story, and we also love supporting sustainable craft suppliers. We would love to thank Kamanmat Prat for these particular wings. You can find her store on Etsy at littlewingsmagic.etsy.com. Okay. And then there's another sheet of paper in here. Purchased with a purpose. So I think they talked about what I already read online. So It looks like they also have an Etsy store, so rayosupplyco.etsy.com, and they have a promo code that is good through 6/2020 that is Let's Go. So there it is on there. You can always leave me a message down below if you would like. So here is the jewelry wrapped up. I think that is everything. Oh wow, so these are I guess the bug wings on top, the beetles. And then there's some beading. It looks like there's some leather. So I don't use leather items, but I know a lot of people don't have an issue with that. So I'm definitely going to be putting these in the giveaway. I like the beading. I think I heard that they also offer a vegetarian option. That's what I saw their mom open this and she was saying that, so I think if you are, you could let them know and they would send you vegetarian, like, friendly items. So here's one. So here are both of them together. This definitely is like very festival themed. So like I said, this is a lot different than the other jewelry subscriptions that I have opened on my channel, and I like to bring a variety to show you guys what's out there because there are just so many subscription boxes. So I know there's people out there that like the more bohemian style and I like more classic, you know, so I think it's cool how they ethically source this stuff. That's really important to me. So yeah, so I think my 6,000 subscriber giveaway is going to be super soon. I was supposed to get a box today with the remaining prizes, but it didn't show up unless it came to my door. It didn't come with the USPS delivery. I'm not sure when it's coming, but hopefully tomorrow. So that should be up super soon. But until then, I'm gonna keep adding stuff. So these will be going into my 6,000 subscriber giveaway. I love giving back to you guys. So this is super fun to show you guys something new and then also add another little fun surprise for the giveaway. I guess not a surprise, now you guys know. So yeah, I will leave the link down below and along with that promo code if you guys want to save some money and are interested. Again, that code works for life. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!